I printed out my work. So now I'm going to align it on my mat, and make sure you align your work exactly as how you see it in the computer. Like all the corners on the corners and all the lines on the lines. You see that? Align it really well in the corner. Up there should be on the 8.5, and down here should be on the 11 on your mat. Let's check it out really quick. You see that the corner is in the corner down there, and on top there the 8.5 should also be on the 8.5. Check it out right there. You see the 8.5 right there? That's how your paper should be. Okay, so now I'm going to load my mat into the machine, my cutting machine, my silhouette, and then I'm going to send the cut job to my machine. Here I am. Okay, I have it selected. I will go to send right there, and I have cut edge. This and this is my cut settings too. You can copy it right there. You can copy it. It will work with a 65-pound cardstock on the silhouette machine with your auto blade. It's registering, and now I'll send the job, and it's cutting. If you want to see how I designed this, I will put the link below for the class. You can watch it, how I use the print bleed and all. Look how amazing it comes out. Really, really nice. Okay, so this is my work. It cuts really smooth, and this is how I'm taking it off. I turn it upside down, and then I peel the mat off of it. If I don't do that, it will curl my paper, and as that's not what we want. We want it to be flat. So you turn your mat upside down, and then you peel the mat off the paper so that your paper will stay flat. Okay, here is our work. It got really nice. You see that you don't see any white on the edge because of the print bleed that I used. Okay, let's go. So now I'm going to design a backing for my fan. Okay, so I have it here. I will copy it. Okay, and then I'll open another page, and I'll fix my page setting to portrait, and then I will paste it. And after I paste it, I will just color it, like turn it to a color, turn it to blue. So I'm going to add some offset around it because I want it to be a little bit bigger than the fan itself. So I add some offset around it. Look what I did. Make the offset a little bit bigger. And then I will delete the fan that I brought in. I will delete that. So this is what I'm going to cut out. I'm going to cut it out without registration marks. Let's go. Here, cutting the backing of the fan on black cardstock. You can get this cardstock. You can get it from Walmart, or you can also get it from Amazon. I will place the link below. Yeah, 12 by 12 inch cardstock. And I think this cardstock is also 65 pounds because it cuts well with my machine. Okay, you see there, I cut the backing, and then I'm going to turn my mat upside down, and I'm gonna peel the mat, hold my paper, and peel the mat off of it so that it doesn't curl. You don't want it to be that. Okay, let's go align it and tape it together on the stick. Let's go. Okay, now I have it aligned. You see the black here, the black, and then I align it on top of it like so. It's like offset, just like in the video. Okay. Ooh, ooh. Let me see. Yeah, like so. Okay. Align it like so. And then I'm going to place some glue over here. Actually, I need to place the glue here. The glue on this side right here so that it can stick. Okay. And then I'm going to glue it. So I glue up the top part. I'm gonna turn it like so, and I'll add more glue down here. Actually, the glue should be on the white because the black is an outline, it's an offset. Okay, after I've done that, I'm going to put glue here so I can fasten my stick in the middle. I'll add my stick here. Okay, and then I'm going to add more glue on top of the stick. There are other ways to do it. You need to check how you can best do it for yourself. Okay, I'll place it over it like so, and I'll wait for it to dry. If you think that some parts are still opening, you can open it and put more glue. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Yes, I love it. Look at that. Mm, I love it. Like this. And the back is black. I love it. Very, very nice. I hope you try it. Go try it too. Oh, I love it.